If you guys have watched Friends, you know that episode when Chandler doesn't sleep the whole night because he has an important meeting the next day. Same thing happened with me. I didn't sleep, like not even for half an hour.
I think we started something, gonna tell the world again. Oh, you're so beautiful, I just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope it never ends.
Okay, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little क्या बोलते हैं So I am ready as usual. It's almost 4:30 and मैं 3 बजे से जागा हुआ हूँ. I'm all packed. I'm done. That's Chevy's bed, you guys. She's gonna like have so much fun behind.
Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. On and on, we'll move a little closer. We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire. I wanna know, what are you waiting for? I wanna know just what you're waiting.
I just peed in this horrible place which I'm gonna show you now, and then I'm gonna कैसा था?
And someone is puking out here. Yeah.
Good morning, Chevy. Say good morning.
Just what you're waiting for, and you should know. You're so beautiful.
Hi, baby. Hi, Shaiva. इथे. Hi. Shono. Hi.
I wanna know, what are you waiting for? I wanna know just what you're waiting for, and you should know. You're so beautiful, so let me know just what you're waiting for.
So I've come on the second floor of my house, and as you guys can see, it's raining so heavily. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog till now, and it's raining cats and dogs, so I hope you guys can hear me. So right now I'm going to do something very special which I have never done, and that is get Gauri home. Every time some of the other daughter of this house gets the Gauri home, this year I am going to do it, and I'm very scared because बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, सब लोग गिर रहे हैं, and I don't want to fall with the Bhagwan in my hand. So yeah, I'm just a little worried. I'm gonna get dressed up. I'm gonna wear the same white kurti which I wear everywhere. I'm gonna wear that and I'm gonna go. I don't know if I'll be able to take good shots or not. I'm gonna tell my sisters to take shots. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Also, it's 5th September today and it's my grandfather's birthday. And this is the first time I have come to this house, like my natives, after he passed away. He passed away on 30th July last year, and I just want to say that if there is Wi-Fi in heaven and if you are watching what all of us are doing, I just want to tell you that all of us miss you, and yeah, we just miss you a lot.
तिने नाही का चप्पल घालायची
Shit scared.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Do it just to make me feel again I wanted something real. So just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
Because of Pankha, nothing can be heard. Samruddhi, that's my cousin. You must have seen her from my Kerala vlogs. If not, Kerala wale vlogs dekh lo. And what is the plan now? Tell me.
गौरी बैठ गई है, फिर आरती,
फिर खाना और फिर
भजन या
So I think I'm gonna end the vlog because this vlog has been thoda lamba. So I think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, not promising anything. And tomorrow what's the plan? Tomorrow सुबह आरती.
Tomorrow there will be non-veg.
हाँ हमारा श्रावण छूट जाएगा जो मैंने पाला नहीं by the way. फिर डांस
रात को.
and then next day विसर्जन. So I'm thinking to like combine tomorrow and day after tomorrow in one vlog. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have not liked this video yet, then please like it, subscribe to my channel, and
Please, big thumbs up.
and I shall see you in my next video. Until then,
Stay positive and
stay
stay happy.